In this video, I will be showing you a new way on making your Apple Watch track your outdoor walk, which is better and more effective. If you haven't seen the video how to make your Apple Watch track your outdoor walk, then tap the links in the top right corner. Make sure you do watch that video because it shows you what to do when this way expires. This way lasted me 5 days, but what I recommend you do is do a test with your Apple Watch to see how long it calculated your outdoor walk. Remember how many days it calculated your outdoor walk. Then turn your watch off, then back on again when it stopped working. But this does take a couple of features away from your Apple Watch. The first feature it takes away is your watch automatically locking when you take it off. But don't worry, at the end of this video I'll be showing you how to manually lock your Apple Watch. Heart rate notifications will be turned off. Sleep tracking will be unavailable. Also, your heart rate analytics throughout the day will not be available. You'll still get your heart rate analytics when you complete a workout of some sort on your Apple Watch and when you complete a breathe session on your Apple Watch. But those negatives are only small compared to the big positive that your Apple Watch can track your outdoor walk more often. Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. First, go into the Watch app, then go down to passcode, then go down to wrist detection. Then tap here to turn wrist detection off. Then it will tell you what happens when you turn wrist detection off. Then tap turn off when you have read it. Then it will be done. If you want to turn wrist detection back on again, tap here. Then it will ask you to enter your passcode on your Apple Watch. This is how it should appear. This is what will happen when wrist detection is turned on. It will be on. Here is how to manually lock your Apple Watch. First, you want to open the control center by swiping up on your watch face. If you're not in a watch face and you are in an app, you want to hold down at the bottom until this appears. Then swipe up to this. Then press the lock icon. If you haven't got the lock icon, go down to the bottom and tap edit. Then under more there should be the lock icon. Then tap the plus icon. Then it will be added. And if you want to move it, just hold down and you can move it where you want. I like to have it up at the top. If you haven't got the lock icon, try going back into the watch app, then passcode, then wrist detection, and make sure it's turned off. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.